Namaste, I am Suresh Chinchodkar, man of mathematics and physics. Today we are going to discuss the topic which is associated with everyone, and not only associated, but it is associated from birth to end. Naturally you will have the curiosity, what can be that topic? As such you know that topic, because as I say that it is associated with everybody. So the name of the topic which we are discussing, that is counseling. Counseling it from the childhood. No sooner the child comes on this earth, since that either mother, father, neighbor, relatives, whoever it may be, everybody comes and they give the counseling. That is the purpose of the counseling, is for the better. So like that, once you go in the school, continuously you are the target for the counseling. Nobody else other than that. Naturally you must be getting irritated, but you are helpless. You cannot show your resistance, because counselors are more smarter than you. But as the time passes, then naturally in the counseling there two divisions starts. One is the counselor and second is the client. Both has become intelligent, and therefore intelligent means what? They can tackle their problems by their own idea, by their own experience of the life. So like that, it till at the age of 30, till he gets married or the one gets married, then again the counselor part becomes less and the person can solve the problem by himself. So that's what we call counseling by self-counseling. It is known as a self-counseling, and till the end the self-counseling works. Now why we call the counseling is very important, because life is full of problems. It is with the success as well as it is with the failure also. So in success as well as in the failure, to keep ourselves in a proper position, for that the counseling is required. Now as the subject is, it is not important because you don't get the attention to that much, but it is always associated with you, that is certainly. Now my question is, suppose if you give attention towards this, if you understand the rules and regulations of this subject, then your life will be really very successful and you can tackle any problem very nicely. Now the question arises, in what way we can tackle the problem? The first thing is, you know thyself. If you come to know who you are and what are you, what type of a nature you are having, once you are aware of that, it becomes very easy for you to solve the problem which arises in the life. Now after that, naturally, as the time gets go ahead and ahead, then what happens? There are many other sciences which comes inside. For example, let us take the body language. Body language plays a very important role in counseling, because the other name for the body language is non-verbal communication. The less you communicate the people, means what? The more you understand the people, counseling becomes very easy. Counseling means to make the dialogue, and not to only make the dialogue, but to make the dialogue successfully. For to create the successful dialogue, the way transaction analysis is one of the science which helps. Along with that, the second, that is the body language, also it helps. because by that way you come to know yourself as well as you can understand the other person. To make dialogue effective, successful, these two things are must. One, you must know yourself as well as you must know the other person also. And that way, and therefore I have divided this in the last lecture, as I have told you, that is, instead of counseling, let us will call the self counseling. In self you come, and other part with whom you are going to counseling, because counseling can be done in the two ways, that you can do the counseling or otherwise you can take the counseling. In both the cases you must be very alert with everything. And once, because as I say that counseling is going to last for your whole life, so you should know how I can make my counseling very effective. Effective means very successful. And for that, as I gave the key, you must know thyself. To know thyself, what things are required to you? One, body language of yours. There is non-verbal language is there. In that also, you can understand yourself as well as you can understand the others, and you will make the counseling very easy. I hope my talk, you like it, you understand it. Being a topic is very important. On and often we can be in touch with this. If you like my topic, then naturally you can say like or you can subscribe it. Now, before I come to the end, next time what we are going to do? The next time there is a totally new topic which we are going to take, and that is body language, which is very essential. So that we are going to discuss next time. Nice of you to listen to me, and thank you very much.